G'day, my name's Keagan and today we're going to have a quick look over the daily maintenance of a John Deere Seed Terminator. But first of all, what we want to do is clean the machine down and make sure that there's no chaff or straw or any other debris sitting on top of the machine, which could cause potential hazards. So what we want to do is blow down with a blower or air compressor around the gearbox, around the hitch, under the bottom guards and in around the chute, just to make sure that there's no material sitting anywhere. The next thing we want to check is the gearbox oil. What we're looking for is the oil level to be about halfway up the gearbox when the machine is park level, and that the oil is looking nice and clean and no foreign or metallic look to it. The next thing we're going to check is we're going to hop under the machine and have a look at the belts and the tension. When we're inspecting our belts, we want to make sure that the springs are tensioned up to the guides and that we have a visual inspection of the condition of the belt to ensure that they are in optimal running order. We also want to have a visual inspection of the idler pulleys. Check the bearings for any signs of heat, as these are the only bearings on the machine that do not have heat sensors. The next thing we're going to check on the machine is the magnet tray, which is fastened to the rear of the cleaning shoe. And along the top here, you see this stainless steel cover is covering the magnets. We're looking for any foreign objects, bits of fencing wire, spanners. It's good to check this every day. If there is any objects on there, you can clean them off so there's no chance they can go through the mill.